Accidents happen, from spilling coffee on the office conference phone to sitting on a headset. Work from anywhere devices go through a lot day to day. Unfortunately, a simple mistake could end up costing a ton of time and money. Needless to say, everyone needs protection. Whether it's the chewy puppy, inquisitive toddler, or the adult multitasker, Polycare service packages through ScanSource on Poly devices anticipate the unexpected to ensure long-term success and a lot less heartache. Unlike a warranty that only covers defects, Polycare is here for all of those costly, unplanned mishaps. Unlimited technical support maintains high-performance equipment around the clock. Polycare also offers 24/7 testing facility and overnight replacements in the continental U.S., so your customers never miss a beat. Easy to add to product orders, Polycare helps you be the hero your customers need without the extra work or the cape while growing your business. Let the numbers show it. Their Poly Studio X30 may be out of warranty. Without Polycare in place, the replacement cost is $1,100 per incident. With a Polycare support contract for $185, they would have saved $915. Or what if the customer has a Poly Trio C60 out of warranty and they need a replacement the next business day? Without a support package, the replacement cost is $520. A Polycare support contract would have cost the customer $35 per phone, saving them $485 for one replacement. A Poly CCX 600 out of warranty would also see a similar benefit from a Polycare service package. A replacement without a contract would cost $336, while a Polycare support contract would cost $14 for a replacement, saving them $322. Even working from home has its challenges, like when their Voyager headset breaks in the 3rd year of ownership. The replacement cost without a support contract is $300, but the Polycare support contract is only $50, saving them $250 and gets them an advanced replacement headset the very next business day. When "my dog ate it" just happens, be the hero. Offer your customers the next level of support to protect their investments and earn more with Polycare on Poly devices through ScanSource.